Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told that the maximum value of a dataset consisting of 25 positive integers is 84. A new dataset consisting of 26 positive integers is created by adding 96 into the original dataset. So we have a bunch of numbers, right? Starting at the beginning, let's say it's like 60, and then we have 72, 74, all the way up, and then eventually you have 84. Right? You have all these numbers in a range, and then you have another set, which is the same thing, right? Same numbers. I'm not trying to write all of them just for the sake of an example. And then we do the same thing, and we add 96 at the end. We're asked which of the following measures must be 12 greater for the new data set than for the original data set. So, looking at the mean, if we don't know any of the actual values in the set other than the largest one, again, these are just numbers I came up with, then we can't find the mean. Right, so we'll come back to this, but we don't think we can find the mean. The median, how much is the median going to change? Well, the median should only change by one value in the set, right? So if the mean was 72 in this set, we would expect it to be 72 plus 74 in the other set, right? So if you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the median is 3. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The median just shifts over between our old median and the one next to it, right? Or if it started out as these, and we add another term, it just becomes the next term over. So it goes from 3 to 3 and 4 to 4. So here it would go from 72 to 72 and 74. Is this going to be 12 greater? We don't know. It's possible to be 12 greater, right, if the data was really spread apart, but we don't know, right? It would have to be 12 greater for this. This term would have to be way bigger for that to be the case, but we don't know. The range we do know, right? So if we say, we don't actually know that the lowest number is 60, so let's just call the lowest number in this data set X. Then the range in this original data set is going to be 84 minus X. In the new data set, it's going to be the same lowest value, but our new highest value is 96, so it's 96 minus X. What is the difference between these two ranges? Well, it's 96 minus X minus 84 minus X. So you have 96 minus X, distributing the negative, minus 84 minus negative X is plus X. So you have 96 minus 84 is 12, minus X plus X cancels out. So it's 12 greater. C is going to be your answer. And then the standard deviation is something that we also are not able to calculate. So out of our options, A and D, we could not calculate. B, we could not calculate, but it could be 12 greater. And then C, we know is definitively 12 greater. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.